Let's learn how to verify a primer using NCBI. Most of us want to use a primer from published articles or suggested by our friends who already use the same primer. But we usually make a mistake. Without verification, we place order by primer and use it. Ultimately, we sometimes not get a good results. So whether you get a primer from your friends or published articles, don't believe 100%. You must verify a primer before placing an order. These are the simple steps which can be used to verify any kind of primer. First of all, you need to get a primer sequence forward and reverse. Go to NCBI, enter primer sequence, select organism, run primer blast, and then analyze the primer. As in my previous video, I already mentioned properties of good primer, how good primers, what characters, properties of good primers must have. So for properties you need to check my previous video. Let's I show you how to verify a primer. There are two ways. I show you both of those, and then you verify anyone which is suitable for you and easy for you. First, go to NCBI database. Okay, here you need to select a gene, and here you need to primer just like for example gene name just like IL-17 and write a species musculus. As I have mice species, so I want to mention here. Okay, then you need to click here. This is in my previous video. These steps already shown in my previous video. Once again I just show you. Okay, pick primers from here. Now at this step, first step you need to clear, because in this way we already give gene name and database give us accession number, but we don't want the primer from database because we already have primer. We just want to verify. So in that case you need to clear this accession number, first step. Second step, you need to copy forward and paste here. Okay, and then copy reverse, just like I want to give this example. I take this IL-17 from paper entitled as just like this one, and from journal Nature Communication, and I give title just like a primer from high quality journals. So I usually do these steps. Sometimes I design myself, sometimes I take from papers and verify, then place order. So now reverse. Okay, you don't need to change anything else, you just get primer. This is the one way. Another way is just you write here NCBI primer blast. Okay, then here you click primer blast. In this case, look, but here primer for target on one template we change. First we need to change here. In this case you cannot find the accession number because you didn't mention gene name, you didn't mention species, so you don't database didn't give you any accession number. In this case you need to again, okay, you copy forward and copy reverse, In this case, you don't forget to change species organisms, because in automatic in database already select as a human species, but you need to change this species, just like in my case mouse species. So I need to write here mouse musculus. Okay, and same I need to click on get primers. These are two ways. Okay, now here is already shown the primer properties we need to check, just like melting temperature. If we look, there are a difference of 4. This, in my opinion, I think this is a huge difference. At least or maximum it should be just like 1 or 0.5, up to 1 is acceptable, but here is difference of melting temperature is 4. And in addition to that, self-complementary, just like here is 5. So I think if I want to use, I don't prefer this primer, I need to design a primer myself. So okay, this is the primer which has not good properties, but some primers have good properties, just like I want to do another, just like hand one. If we check this one, okay, now look at this. If we check, self-complementary is okay, and GC percentage is also okay. Melting temperature of the both primers is same. So I think this, and product length is also okay. So I think this is second primer we use a hand one, and just like I want to show you again, this is a hand one, and this is IL interleukin 17 alpha. So in my opinion, in my suggestion, I think interleukin 17 alpha is not good, but hand one, so I think it's good primers from published articles. So this is how you need to verify a primer from published articles. Why it is important is there are various importance, but main two importance to avoid primer dimmers, save time and money. Thank you.